Hello friends, let's crochet together mini grape. I have yarn jeans and the size of my hook is 1.6. And now let's make several berries of different size. We make a magic green and 6 single crochets into it. 4, 5 and 6. A slip stitch in the first stitch on the round and a chain. In the second round we make increase and a single crochet and repeat. Increase, a single crochet, increase, a single one, a slip stitch and a chain. And we have 9 stitches in the round. Then we make 2 rounds without changes for 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 3 decreases. Decrease, a single crochet, decrease, a single crochet, decrease and a single crochet, a slip stitch, a chain, add some fiber fill, take a needle and close the hole for the front sides of loops of the last round. Fix the thread between the stitches and hide the thread inside the berry. And make 2 berries more in the same way. Let's make the next berry. A magic green and 5 single crochets into it. 2, 3, 4 and 5. A slip stitch, and chain. In the second round, we make increase in the first stitch and a single crochet in the next one. Then we make increase, then a single crochet and increase in the last stitch, a slip stitch and a chain, and we have 8 stitches in this round. Then we make 2 rounds without changes for 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. There are 4 rounds in this berry. Add fiber fill, take a needle and close the hole. Fix the thread and hide it inside. Make several berries in the same way, and the smallest berry is just 3 rounds for 6 single crochets in each one. Also, we make 3 berries. And now we take yarn knot begonia, make the first loop and make several chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make a slip stitch into the berry and crochet slip stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch into the berry one slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a berry and join it with slip stitch. And slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. Chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a little berry and join it with slip stitch. And slip stitch 1, 2, 3. Chains 1, 2, 3, 4. A little berry, a slip stitch, one, 2, 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3 chains, join a berry with slip stitch, and make slip stitches. Then we make slip stitches in this chain. And make 3 chains and join a little berry. One, 2, 3 slip stitches and go on. Then again slip stitch, a chain, 1, 2, 3. Join a berry, and continue to make slip stitches. And again chains 1, 2, 3, the last berry. Oh, it has jumped away from me, but we'll join it and slip stitch. And we make slip stitches in this chain a chain and cut the thread. And our mini grape is ready. We can fix the threads and hide the ends between the stitches. And we have such a cute mini grape. You can make it in different size and colors. Thank you for attention.